Hi, in the time of Valentine's, you see my red and my hair is hair red. And this is a Valentine treat for you. Uh, I picked it because it's almost month of the Valentine's and times is more, plenty of loving and caring and not that poke over there. There's a very, sorry pa about my page because it's not yet Valentine's. See to my new video uploaded Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok and YouTube. You just subscribe me and view me. I love here because it's very quiet and fascinating adventures of a Encantadia. See my unicorn. Okay? It's time of loving and caring to each other. No quarrel in government or in other company or look my very disaster because other rude Filipinos and other foreigners became running in a same of arrogant care and love God.